And as of about the 5 o'clock hour, this is a satellite look at Tropical Storm Beryl out in the Gulf of Mexico, but not too far off of Texas. Northward motion is expected with this through tonight. It should strengthen into about a Category 1 hurricane before making landfall somewhere around Matagorda. And we'll go ahead and take a look at what the National Hurricane Center has here as far as a track of this particular storm. And again, there's your landfall zone. There is still a cone of uncertainty, but notice how it's narrow. We have a pretty good idea of where this is going to go now. But this symbol, rotating symbol here, that's a tropical storm symbol. Notice it doesn't have a number in the middle because it's no longer a hurricane, but this could still be a tropical storm as it makes its way over the Brazos Valley. That would be timed right about Monday midday, with the core of that storm still packing maybe 55 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts, even over land. And this will continue to weaken into a tropical depression, and then even below that by the time this gets out into Tuesday. That's the good thing we have working for us, is that this is a quick mover, and we're not going to be dealing with Beryl for very long, but certainly most of Monday we're going to have some impacts. And we have a flood watch issued for our eastern counties, all here in green, Monday morning into Tuesday morning, to account for possibly several inches of rain, leading to some flooding hazards, and then a tropical storm warning in effect for basically Monday for these areas in red, and that's going to include Brazos County, Madison County, and Burleson County. Those areas dealing with some stronger winds and also some flooding rain threats as a result of Beryl moving in. So again, this is primarily a Monday event, and you'll notice that rain here on Future Track sweeping in with Beryl in the Monday morning hours. And it's basically going to be a primary event for our eastern counties. Western counties, you may not get much out of this at all. Notice what this does. It really keeps heavy rain and a lot of wind, especially around the core of the storm, really working north through our eastern zones as we go through Monday afternoon. What do these outer bands do later on in the day, or just as far as the duration of the storm goes? Well, that could get some rain out to our western counties, but again, that drop off between a lot of rain and a little rain could be really sharp. A drop off between not much at all and a lot is possible. So we'll just have to see how much our western counties get as far as rain, but the eastern counties are going to get a lot, and also those gusty winds at times. But look at this. By Monday night, this is already out of here, and we're not even talking about Beryl by Tuesday anymore. Tuesday will be a partly cloudy day with maybe an isolated shower or a storm in the region, and that'll be it. So rainfall totals, that stripe of heaviest rain is going to follow the center of Beryl, and it should run right up our eastern counties like this, with that heaviest axis from, say, Bryan College Station to Centerville, parts of Freestone County, and then north from there. These orange to yellow shades could be indicating 6 to 8 inches of rain. Local amounts, maybe more, but watch how we quickly go from 5 inches to 3 inches to 2 inches of rain maybe, to once you get out by I-35, we could be talking an inch or less. And you're seeing some colors out here to the west. This could be filling in a little bit too much in terms of rain. There could be some spots out here that just don't get anything. We'll have to see what those outer bands of Beryl decide to do as far as some rainfall. But again, the heavy rain threat for our eastern counties, flooding very much a possibility. And we'll also have to watch for those strong winds at times, as it could still be not a hurricane, but a tropical storm, categorized as a tropical storm once it's over the Brazos Valley. So temperatures tomorrow kind of being slowed down in terms of how far it's going to be able to rise because of all that rain and cloud cover. We may only make 83 tomorrow, but we're back to the 90s pretty easily by Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Isolated showers and storms possible Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we get into a partly cloudy pattern basically into the end of the week and the weekend, as temperatures hang out in the mid-90s and should pretty much stay there as we go into the following week.